Tired of spending hours making subtitles or wasting money on plugins and neural network APIs? Let me show you how to fully automate this process for free using Premiere and After Effects. Step 1. Drop your voiceover into Premiere Pro and generate an auto-transcription. Select the resulting subtitles and simply copy them with Ctrl+C. Step 2. Open After Effects. Paste the subtitles directly into your composition along with the audio and drop everything into a single pre-comp. And now for the magic. Open the compact script. Enter your desired font, set the size, and click Formatting. The script will automatically adjust the height, center the text, and add a smooth fade-in animation. Does the text look boring? One click on the Styles button applies a ready-made design to all layers, proper drop shadow, stroke, and neon glow. And the final touch? To get rid of the messy periods and commas that Premiere adds at the end of phrases, click Cleanup. The script will remove all the excess punctuation while carefully preserving question marks. Fast, clean, adaptive, and no third-party software required. Grab the script for free